Right. Does this still work? Does this still work? Oh fuck. Forgot to change the advent of code 2024 in Haskell. Day one. Can remove this. Can here. Put this in description. And that's about it. Oh, the thumbnail as well. Change. That's not me. So it's you see something. Yes. Right. And create new playlist. Advent of code 2020. Whoop. Haskell. Great. Alright. I think that's about it. Yeah, sure. Up. Does the sound work? At all? Great. Alright. Seems to work. Let's see. Let's see. So this year I was thinking of doing Advent of Code in Haskell, because it has been a long time that I haven't coded in the Haskell, and it's a great language, a bit too complex, and the package manager is not great, but the language itself is it's pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going to do Advent of Code in it, and yeah. And there was a funny Haskell Go drama on X a few days ago. I don't understand shit about it, but I don't know. I find it funny. So I like both language, by the way. But anyway, let's see what this is this year. Day one, Hysteria. The chief historian is always present for the big Christmas slate launch, but nobody has seen him in months. Last anyone heard, he was visiting the locations that are historically significant to the North Pole. A group of senior historians has asked you to accompany them as they check the places they think he was most likely to visit. Okay. As each location is checked, they will mark it on their list with a star. They figure the chief historian must be in one of the first 50 places they look. So in order to save Christmas, you need to help them get 50 stars on their list before Santa takes off on December 25th. Yeah, 50 stars is always impossible, at least for me. I'm not that good, but oh well, I'll do my best. Collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day in the Advent calendar. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Oh yeah, right. Each puzzle grants 1 star. Good luck. You haven't even left yet, and the group of elvish senior historians has already hit a problem. Their list of locations to check is currently empty. Eventually, someone decides that the best place to check first would be the chief historian's office. Upon pouring into the office, everyone confirms that the chief historian is indeed nowhere to be found. Instead, the elves discover an assortment of notes and lists of assortment of notes and list of historically significant locations. This seems to be the planning the chief historian was doing before he left. Perhaps these notes can be used to determine which locations to search. I don't know, I went all brain dead. I don't understand what the fuck that was. Throughout the chief's office, the historically significant locations are listed not by name, but by a unique number called location ID to make sure they don't miss anything. The historian split into two groups, each searching the office and trying to create their own complete list of location ID. Here is just one problem: by holding the two lists side by side, your puzzle input, it quickly becomes clear that the lists aren't very similar. Maybe you can help the historians reconcile their lists. For example, here is two lists. Maybe the lists are only off by a small amount. So to find out, pair up the number and measure how far apart they are. Pair up the smallest number in the left list with the smallest number on the right list, so you sort both of them. Then the second smallest number with the second smallest right number, and so on. Yeah, just sort them basically. Within each pair, figure out how far apart the two numbers are, so we do difference, absolute difference. You'll need to add up all of those distances. For example, if you pair up 3 from the left list with a 7 from the right. What? With a 7 from the right list, the distance apart is 4. If you pair up a 9 with a 3, the distance is 6, sure. In the example list above, the pairs and distances would be as follows. The smallest number 1, smallest number in the right is 3, distance is 2, then you sort them. Okay, yeah, I think. And then I find the total distance. Okay, and then I get a number, and that's the answer. Your actual left-right list contains location. What's the total distance between the lists? Okay, let's take that for the example, and I just do example here, paste that in. Then I need to remember how to read a file in Haskell. How to read file? Okay, sounds easy enough. So I read a file and I get hi, hey, hello. So I read a file and I get boom, 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 read file example, like so. Can remove my test thing. Can I do this? No. Oh yeah, it's already in an IO thing, so I can just do this. Fuck, already Haskell is annoying me. Can I do this and then do content, this, print, content, do? Yeah, well, I figured out the do on my own, but but I forgot what this do. I know it's like you chain the monads. I forgot like if there is a cleaner way to do it. Can't I do like? Okay, already I'm going into like Haskell syntax sugarland, but can't I just do this? Yes, okay. I remember how it works now. Okay, so I have a file, then I can just, is there a, like, lines? I remember the split is not named split, or there isn't a split in Haskell split string. Lines. Is there a lines built in? Because I remember there is a... Oh yeah, you're right, in the prelude. I remember I had to rewrite my own split function at some point in Haskell. Maybe there is like lines and words, but there isn't like a specific like split for like a specific character. But anyway, let's just do split for now. So let's just do print. Can I do lines, content? Yeah, now I have a list. Great. Can I... you will need both lines and words. Ah, yeah, indeed. Indeed. Don't spoil me, I'm trying to learn the thing. But Fuck, I forgot the fmap operator, but I'm just gonna use fmap or map. Hey, hello. Can I do words? Is it words with an S? I forgot. Is it words? Oh, should probably zoom in. It's words with an S indeed. So I just do map this. And now I have a list of things. If you got stuck, I'm following your advanced C series and I love it. Thanks a lot for that. You're welcome. I enjoy making it as well. Although I'm running out a bit of ideas because C is not like crazy complex either. But yeah, we'll see. So now I have words. So can I combine words and show? Like, wait, no, this is stupid. How do I do this? Can I map it with words and then map show on this? How do I map show? Why now Haskell? Because I like it. I've been doing Haskell for, well, I used to do Haskell quite a bit before. But, you know, there is no applications for it. And yeah. So I just gave up on it for a few years, but I remember, yeah, I don't know, 4 years ago, I was really into Haskell, and I still am. It's just it's hard to keep motivated. As well, it's a bit ugly sometimes, especially like the package management thing is terrible in my opinion, and like some functions have weird names and stuff like that, or they invent like random operators for everything, which is quite annoying. But besides that, it's a beautiful language, like the way you can combine stuff. It's not that bad. Which part? The operator part or the package management part? Because I remember the package management was quite annoying. How do I flat map? Not flat map. I use stack. Yeah, I also use stack. It was just, you know, like, yeah, it was annoying. There is like 3 different configuration file, and then stack somewhat use cabal, and then cabal someone use, I don't fucking know, and then you different version of the compiler. And yeah, it's just, I just want to say package version. That's it. I don't want any. I think it should work more out of the box, you know, like saying defaults. But yeah. Fuck, my memory is trash. So I now have a thing of word, and well, I'm gonna do something. Let's just say I don't want to spoiler. Yeah, it's okay. I will figure it out. Just let's do something ridiculous that you're gonna hate me for now. Let's do map show x. Do you love that already? Yeah, I know. Poor Haskellers. Can't. No, it's not. Can't I like show? How do I read a number again? GHCI show. Let's say 4, but then I want it as an int. Haskell parse string to int. But having a list of tuples of int would be good. Read, yeah, right, read. Yeah, indeed, show doesn't make much sense. So read this would be an error because there is no type, and then if I cast it as an int, yes, okay. Reads this, and now I will have the same error. I'm just wondering. Oh yeah, and I forgot one more thing I hate about Haskell is the error messages. I remember those being like quite horrendous. But anyway, enough about what I hate about Haskell because it's actually quite nice. And wait, no, it's fuck. Again, you're gonna hate me for this, but I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just a confused old man. I forgot. I forgot everything. Yep. Uh, it works though. So hey, there you go. It's terrible. Uh, it's terrible. So now now I have my what is it? I don't. I forgot how they call it in the thing. Lists. I don't know. They just call them location IDs. Location IDs is from this. And so now I still have location IDs. No, I don't. So that doesn't work. Oh, I have to have a let because it's not an IO thing. So location IDs is equal to this. And then can I do print let in? It's funny because I kind of predict what you're gonna say sometimes with let and whatever words or whatever or lines. In print no in. I forgot, my dude. I forgot. Haskell. Let. How do you do let? Yeah, there is an in. I'm not crazy. There is no in. Just print your stuff. Or in the do block, it's different, right? Is it that? Ah, okay. In the do block, it's okay. Okay, okay. Makes more sense now. Can I put this on another line? Oh wait, whatever. It's trash. I'll refactor it later. Anyway. So now, can I just do map? Can I map the negative sign with the apps function? Is that a thing? Well, let me just first try the. I need to sort them. I need the unzip thing, I think. It's like unzip. So unzip this. Ah, that's why you wanted a thing of tuple. Isn't there like an how do I but already I hate oops, I hate this. How do I create a tuple from this? Is there like a words? Haskell. Is it list or an array? I guess it's a list. List to tuple. You could do something like let unzip. Yeah, that's my plan with unzip. Except unzip expects a list of tuple and not a list of lists, which is what I have right now. So I need to first convert my thing from a list of lists to a list of tuples, I guess. I guess. So wait, Haskell f map operator. Ah, yes, that's it. That's what I was looking for. So I think it's the. So already I'm gonna refactor this because I am like the way it's written annoys me. So it's lines content, then can I do this words? Like let's say can I do couldn't match expectation. I forgot how to do this. I forgot. What's the priority on those? Uh, uh, I'm so rusty. I am so rusty. The next statement. Ah, yeah. Can't I? Doesn't matter. I forgot. So this takes a function that goes from the first is functor on A, functor on B. Yeah, I thought this was just equivalent to fmap. Am I crazy? Oh, but the function comes on the right. That's a bit strange. So it would be like this. Couldn't match type with IO. Maybe I should just solve it first and then worry about how pretty my thing is. Yeah. It's gonna be removed. How do I do this? Let's location IDs. Yeah, I don't like this once again, but well, can it be like L1, L2, and then whatever. Yeah, this will raise an error, but we know that they're always 2, so it's fine. 2, L1, L2. And we do this on location IDs. And finally, can I print location ID tuples? I cannot have multiple of those. Cannot parse inputs. This. Really? I thought you could have multiple stuff like this. Oh, maybe for the pattern matching to work, it needs parentheses? Ah, okay. So now it works. Nice. Again, quite horrendous, but well, then let's do your thing of let location IDs 1, location, well, let's just do, yeah. LST1, LST2, like this. Unzip this, and then print LST1. Okay, that looks good. Then can I do... oh yeah, the let block, I can just do this, right? Yeah, okay, that's better. I mean, slightly better. Isn't there... whatever. Can I do lst1 is equal to sort lst1? Forgot if I can reassign like this. Conflict. Okay. Sorted. And I also forgot that the convention is camel case in things, but in a Haskell. There is no sort. Where's the sort? Sort. There is a sort. Ah, in data list, I guess. Import data list. Yes, and now sorted like so. Yes, now it works. And st2 sort, yes. And now, can I guess I can just zip them back up. So can I do... Hi Charles, your videos are so great. I've recommended your channel to all my colleagues. Greetings from Brazil. Ooh, thank you. Thank you. Bom dia. There you go. And caralho. Wait, no, that's Portuguese. What's your version of caralho? Foda-se, yes. Fuck. Yeah, that's the only thing I know in Portuguese. How... By the way, I tried to learn like the Portuguese from Portugal, but not gonna lie, the Portuguese from Brazil easier, huh? It's just better. Huh? I'm gonna get murdered by some Portuguese persons, people in my sleep. How... So can I just zip? I'm guessing LST1, LST2. So I zip them back up like so. Wait, no, it needs to be the sorted one. Oops, LST2 sorted. This guy and this thing like so. Oops. Oops. I'm losing my keyboard. Let's go. So now I have the thing sorted. Yeah, that's good. And now can I map this? No instance of name. Oh yeah, right. How do I feed like a tuple to the arguments of a function? Forgot that. Haskell tuple to function arguments. Can I even do this? Map M? Uncurry. Function uncurry converts a two-argument curried function into a function of... Ooh, that's quite good. So Google. Uncurry. So I can just uncurry the minus function. Like uncurry this. Oh, that's epic. That's quite epic. See, that's why Haskell is awesome. And I can just do ups this. Yeah, so now I get the absolute value of everything. And the last thing is just the sum. Boop, 11, let's go. Now can I do, I have a little script to fetch the input of advent of code, day 1, input, here. That input, here's my input. And if I change from example to inputs, I have this big number, and hopefully it is the right answer. Let's see. Book. Yay, that's the right answer. Let's go. I do love Haskell, although my string parsing abilities and my my whatever tuples to array things are skills are terrible. Like this I want this to be removed. I want this to go into oblivion and never come back. But this kind of thing, you know, uncurried into apps. I mean, that's like the simplest thing ever, Haskell-wise. But man, does it look good. Okay, so that just worked. Let's do the part 2. Your analysis confirm what everyone feared. The two lists of location IDs are indeed very different, or are they? The historians can't agree on which group made mistakes or how to read most of the chief's handwriting. But in the commotion, you notice an interesting detail. A lot of location IDs appeared in both lists. Maybe the other numbers aren't location IDs at all, but rather misinterpreted handwriting. This time you'll need to figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Calculate a total similarity score by adding up each number in the left list after multiplying it by the number of times that number appeared in the right list. Here are the same example lists again. For this example list, here is the process of finding the similarity score. The first number in the left list is 3. It appears in the right list 3 times, so the similarity score increases by 3 times 3 is equal to 9. The second number in the left list is 4. It appears in the right list once, so the similarity score is 4 times 1. Okay. So we just go over all the number and count how many times they appear in the second list. And we get that sum. So for this example list, the similarity score at the end of this process is 31. And so I just go over the left list okay, yeah, that sounds easy enough. That sounds easy enough. Is there a printf somewhere in a Haskell? What's the printf? Haskell printf. Shall I use this? I don't remember using this. I don't remember using this. Haskell format print. Is there like a specific format thing? Oh, there is just, literally, people use printf. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Why do you want to use it? The printf? Oh, no, yeah, just to clean up my thing a bit, you know. Just say parts 1. Yeah, that's it. That's literally it. Variable not in scope, indeed. So it's text printf. So, all right, yeah. So that in the end I can just have part 1, part 2. So okay. Yeah, I've seen some people use show as well. That's what I used to do in the past. Ah, yeah, that's why I never used printf, because I used just show and plus plus. Yeah, yeah, that's how I did it as well. But I don't know, if there is a printf in the standard library, why not? So now I just have to go over. Well, again, I'm gonna use map like a monkey. I'm sure there is better ways of doing this, but let's just say ID. And I guess it doesn't matter if they're sorted or not. So ID, and we're gonna do. I'm assuming there is a count somewhere. So Haskell count in list. Otherwise I can do like map equal and then sum, but count number of elements in a list. Oh, okay, length and filter. Yeah, that works. That works, I guess. Yeah, there is multiple ways of doing it, but length filter, good enough. So can I then do length of a filter, and then I can do equal ID. Do you want a hint? Well, I just found the thing, I think, but I will think about it. And so that's LST2, that's LST1. Let's print that for now. That's a bit much. That's a bit much. Oh yeah, right. Let's just do it on the example first. Example. So I think that kind of makes sense. And then we just do ID times this. Except I need to... I think there is some precedence thing. And I think that's what they say. So it's 9, 4, 0, 9, 9. That's good. And then I just do the sum of all of these as I saw. So we just sum this, this. And that's 31. That's what we expect. And so if I run this on inputs, it will be this number, which I will copy. Oops. And paste here. That's the right answer. Epic. Alright, that's 2 stars for day 1. Except I don't think I want to stop here. Because this is disgusting. I would like to remember how Haskell works. And it's easier to do now than on day 20 when I'm also struggling with the problem. I don't know if Haskell optimizes... I mean, yeah. Optimization is not the name of the game here, but I guess length plus filter seems a bit wasteful because you're kind of... I guess with lazy evaluation, it doesn't like recreate a full list, but... Huh, yeah, maybe it's fine. You could take a look at the group function, which I used. Group. Let's see, group. Equal A. So this, and then you just map length over that. I think that's also fine, but I think that's not the parts that, like yeah. I think that part isn't like the worst kind of thing. I was thinking more about this, like, yeah, like the string parsing. Because also I'm gonna have to do a lot of this in this advent of code, so I would like to find a way to clean this up. Already, is there a way to modify this so that I would not optimize for performance, but yeah, of course, yeah, that's what I mean, readability. But I was also just curious about how it works performance-wise. But so this part I will need. So I just take the line, then take the words. But maybe there is a slightly better way of doing things that is not really fancy, but that's hard in Haskell. The like for performance thing. Yeah, I assume it is. Last time I did performance optimization was, what was the project called? I did some cool bitwise thing as well for it. I think it was Fillet, this guy. I think. So it's also the project where I use like stack and so on, and it works. But you see, like there is a .cabal. It creates a YAML package.yaml, stack.yaml, stack.yaml.lock. You know, it's like, please, just one file, please. And then I don't know if I need to go, do I modify the thing here? Do I modify the thing here? And then there is like 10 different categories, like for test executable libraries, and I don't know which is which, and it's annoying. And then they have this weird syntax for the version check and whatever. I don't know. It's annoying. Anyway, I remember doing, yeah, so this thing, I don't know if it runs. Does it run? I think it does, but it expects like examples. This. So cargo is much simpler. Yes, yes, I would like something like cargo for Haskell. That would be awesome. But yeah, this little school project that I wanted to show is it's quite nice. It's like a recursive backtracking problem, I think. So they just give you like tetriminos, so like pieces of Tetris in ASCII, and you have to fit them in the smallest rectangle, smallest rectangle possible, or smallest square possible. I forgot. And so there is your list of tetriminos, and then you have to have a list of all of those, and then you have to arrange them, like rotate them, shift them around to find like the optimal size for it. And so let's say I do it on the 11 thing. You can see that it takes a while. Will it ever end? I forgot how fast this is. Maybe I should pick a smaller one, like 10. Yeah, and you see that like each letter colored is a tetrimino, and it managed to fit them in this square rectangle. I don't know. And for that, the optimization I used, well, the algorithm itself is just literally like recursive backtracking, if I remember. The coloring is yes. I'm glad you're impressed by the coloring. I spent so much time on the other stuff, but yeah, I remember I somewhat forgot what I did. I remember it was awesome to see how easy it was to do the algorithm, but I remember optimization wise, the thing. So yeah, like first you just have a list of positions, and then it's not really fast. I mean, the algorithm itself is as optimal as it can be, but then the trick is to use to convert like your position to a bit mask, and that's when the real optimization came from. And so like I have some great unsafe shift left, or like bitwise OR. And so yeah, like your tetrimino becomes just an int 64 instead of a list of position. And that was quite a speed up. Anyway, that was my only experience like optimizing Haskell. And it was quite fun. Anyway, back to Advent of Code. Back to Advent of Code. So, 15 wasn't there a thing where I can do like I forgot how it's called, but maybe you can help me, like this operator, and I can like apply my function like to every single number, even though they're in nested lists. Isn't that a thing? Or am I just, again, a confused old man? Like if I have a applicative, yes, that. Can I do like +1? Like that doesn't work? No, it doesn't. And the thing I wanted to try before this, so just the functor thing, the fmap, so that works. Okay, I guess I just wasn't using it right. Yeah, okay, I remember the applicative. It's when you have okay, it's like when you have this. No? So when your thing is also, like your function is also in a functor. I forgot. Oh yeah, but okay, I was still using the other one. Yeah, it works. Okay, I remember. I remember now. I remember now. And so now I would like to remember the monad thing. I forgot. Bro, are you French? No, I'm Portuguese. No, that's a lie. I'm from Belgium. Yeah, now I remember the applicative thing. But what I want to do is like I obviously have a list like so. Like whatever, 3, 4. I have this, and I would like to apply something to all the elements inside without doing like map, you know, which is, well, maybe I could just ask Google. Haskell flat map. And isn't it like, well, monad on lists? The list monad. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but wasn't there a thing where you could do what I'm trying to do with the list monad? Well, whatever. Let's search for flat map, and I expect they will kind of recommend. Yes, flat map is the equivalent of the monad thingy. That's what I thought. So if I do this and then I apply like -1 to it, is that a thing? No, because this needs to be in a list as well. It needs to be in the same context. Or it needs to be in the same context, like literally a double. Whoop. Fuck. Bind operator. Okay, yeah. But I think with this I can do what I want. It's just that the right part, the right hand part is bad. Oh, it will expand them like so. I thought takes a that goes for MB. You can use applicative. I tried using applicative, but it didn't work. Or didn't it? No, because it's a nested thing. Like I wanted to have this basically. But if I nest this, will it work? No, it won't. Like -1 list. Yeah, that's what I was doing, but I have a nested list. That's my issue. And I want to apply on every single element of the nested thing. Wait, let me recreate this so I can have a 1, 2, 3, and then use the, how do you call it? The bind operator. And I have some function that does this. This does this. And so I need to return like x -1. Let's do -1. Zip with. I think zip with is just zip and then with a map, no? Zip with. Takes a thing that goes for ABC to list and C. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a map with 2 arguments, I think, zip with. Okay, like the minus zip with function takes and applies it to 2 lists. But it returns only 1 list. And well, my end result is like my problem is I have just this, like so. And I want to I just want to convert this to integers, basically. So, without doing a map. Some zip with. Yeah, no, that part is fine, like the sum zip with. Yeah, I can also change that as well. But it's the parsing part that I'm annoyed about, that I don't like. Because for now I do map into another map. Already I could return this. So I could remove this part, I think. Can I go back to this? Yeah. Can I remove just this because it seems a bit pointless? Nope. Ah yeah, I would need to convert it to something that... Ah là là. My parsing is not that much better. Ah, how unfortunate. Parse string int parse str equal read head lst read lst where lst words. Ah yeah, okay, that's your parse thing. Hmm. And that is redundant for sure. Okay. Okay. I found one redundant thing. After the file is a new line. Not exactly sure what you mean by that, but yeah, indeed, your parsing is maybe a bit more fancy than mine, but still long. Words. Ah, I'm getting a bit curious about this flat map thing. Yeah. Concat map? Maybe not. Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't spend too much time on this. You could move the map word line to your first line. To your first line. Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, indeed, but, you know, it's like, yeah. Yoop-de-doo. Yeah, okay, that's just moving stuff around, you know, and the line looks less long, that's true, but although I haven't made it work apparently. Second one should be this. Oh yeah, because it's nope. Wait a minute. Let's put it back the way it was. So this works. And then I can just do lines, this. Yeah, pair programming with only the chat as feedback is quite hard for you and for me, I think. Wait. Let me think about it, please. So this thing returns an IO monad string, Uh, and so I can do lines like this to penetrate the IO monad and do lines. Content, map, words, line. Okay, I see. Okay, I think I see. But first, I just want to try a few stuff. Like, I can do this, right? Yes. And then I can just combine map, okay, like you say, like this. And then my content, well, my content is not content, but... I see. And the dot has priority over the thing, so that's why it works. Because this will create a function that will penetrate the IO monad. Okay. Indeed, that's better. Can I do... Yeah, just call it S. This can be S. Yes. Okay. Indeed, that does look a bit better. That's nice. Thank you. Is there a way to not have a lambda here? So, I mean... Because, yeah, it won't know the type. And like if I do this, like I'm changing the type of the read, not really of the return of the read, so that doesn't work. Or at least last time I tried it didn't work. Only because read is applied to too few arguments. After the IDFR. Ah, identifier. I'll tell you. After the identifier, put a type. You mean literally like this? Like... Ah, okay. Except that's not how you do it in a let, apparently. Remove the int. Yes, indeed. Ah, I'm predicting everything you say, kinda. 1 second earlier than what you type in chat. Oh, it works! Oh, I can do that. Okay, that's nice. Okay, my syntax highlighting is a bit rubbish, but oh well. Indeed, that's much better. I feel my I'm less tense now. That's good. That's nice. That's nice. And so... So, my breed. And could I... Haskell list to tuple. Is there a clean way to convert a list to a tuple by any chance? Tuplify. Yeah, I doubt that. Is it in the tuple? What is there tuple-wise? And tuplify was something random that he said. Tuple. Data tuple. Get solo, third, second, curry, uncurry, swap. Oh yeah, okay, there isn't much. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Tuple this. Yeah, okay, they create custom functions, but that's not really what I want. Hello from Russia again. Hello there. Oh yeah, you left a comment, I remember. Limit of a list to a list of tuples. Yeah, okay. This is maybe just overkill. Mm, but I don't really like this. Me no likey. Oh, isn't there like a thing? So there is words, but there is also other thing. No, isn't there like oops, sorry. Isn't there a thing like in Python, like the partition thing, where it splits a string into two, like not like an array but a tuple. Uh, so in data string, my best project on Haskell was a toml parser. It wasn't hard because most part of the code I got from Tsoding channel. Yes, he has a video about like making a JSON parser in Haskell. I remember watching this and making. What did I do? I think I was making a custom programming language for school, and I used also his video as a base for my parser. I think GitHub Charles Computer V1. Is that still around? Oh, it is. And I think I had like a parser, and yeah, I think that's just mostly the upper stuff is like copy paste from copy paste. I understand it or I understood it, and I rewrote it. It's from the Tsoding video, I think. And so yeah, I made my little parser here. That was really nice, and it's I think that's the thing that made me somewhat fell in love with Haskell at the time, because it was so easy to parse. So it's crazy. Partition. Oh, oh yeah, partition is not what I want. But yeah, okay, I can show you in what I mean in Python. Like if I have a foo bar or like this bar, I do a partition. This. You see, it returns me a tuple with first element, separator, third element. And if I have like three of those, it returns only the first thing. Monadic parsing is super. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't think I did any monads. Or I get monadic is kind of just this, like using functor applicative and alternative stuff. Yeah, that was awesome. Although I didn't use a monad, but yeah, it was awesome nonetheless. Um, do. So what was I was looking for like a split one or something. So there is words, unline, unword, lines, from string. Yeah. It's not partition then, but is it like a no? Split one. Eh. Haskell split in tuple. That is not. I shouldn't click on the first thing ever. Like need to split string into multiple tuples and join them. That's kind of what I need. Eh. Yeah, maybe I'm overthinking this. But I think I will need this at some point as well in the next exercises. So could be useful. Creating tuple variations from a list. No. Yeah, I don't know. And so partition wasn't good. Partition. Ah, yeah, it's like, okay. Yep. I remember what partition does. Data list. Um, well, actually, strings are just list, right? So maybe there is a thing in the thing. Wait, but partition is it like the partition when when you think of it like a quicksort partition, or is it like what I mean is the partition function takes a predicate and a list and returns a pair of list elements which do and do not. Okay, no, it's in the quicksort way. It's not in the. Okay. LM index, find index, yes, sort of. Find indices, zip tree, zip with tree, unzip. Noob. The Haskell. I missed the Haskell namings. Noob. The noob function. Fuck me. Delete, union, intersect, sort on, insert. Noob by. Union, intersect. No. Yeah, maybe it's not even gonna be smaller or more readable at the end. Alright, this was a bit of a waste of time. It's unfortunate. There is no function yeah, a list to a tuple, but you could write it. Yeah, I mean it is what I wrote here. It's just like, okay, I could like abstract it in another function, but it wasn't what I was looking for, you know. But okay, whatever. If this is the way it is, it's the way it is. I could although combine this, no? Like so? Could this be? No, it could not. It could not be. Much. Combine. I always forgot the direction of the combine, like in if I need to do it on one hand or the other. Or maybe, oh yeah, but it's on the upper one, right? Wait, where's my thing? As well, yeah, that's true. But also, it's on this one. Wait. I'm getting lost. This guy. So this guy gets combined with this guy. And let's just put parentheses because I don't know the precedence rules. And also I have to modify the type. Like so. And oh, it works. That's epic. I like this. Okay. So yeah, the unzip is fine. The sorted thing is fine. I would put the read in front of. Can you even put the read in front of it? Because it first. Oh yeah, I guess it doesn't matter if. I guess it doesn't matter if I first read it or first split it. Maybe it does. And instead of you could do. Oh right, pattern matching works as well like this. That's so a comma. Yeah, that's bit. Oh, parsing. Do I need to remove the thing? Okay, it still works. Yeah, indeed. That's much better. I forgot you could do pattern matching like this. So do I even need parentheses? Yes, I do. Do I even need the parentheses here? Yes, I do. Okay. The pattern matching thing is nice. You would put the read in front of L1 and L2. Ah, like this you mean maybe. Yeah. Ah, yeah, that does look nicer. Why do you not use LSP for Haskell? It's 3 decreasing code writing time. Yeah, I had it installed at some point. It's just that like I literally started this like 1 hour ago, and I didn't. I just made sure I could compile the thing, and that was it. I haven't written Haskell in a long time. Um, do 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 do. Okay, this is a bit better. Now all this I could do like I don't know. This is probably somewhat fine. Although I would prefer it if I said the result one. Um, like splitting the I/O from the computation. Uh, result one, result two, and I think that's it. I think I'm happy with that somewhat. Yeah, this could be slightly refactored, but oh yeah, and the zip and map can become a zip with. You said zip with just this, like so, and I remove this. Does that just work? Nope. Forgot the definition of where is zip with? Where is my zip with as at? Zip with pum, 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 pum. So it takes a function that I have, then two lists, then it returns one list. Generalizes zip by zipping with the function given as the first argument instead of a tupling function. Some zip with. Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did, but. Or is it? I think it is what I did. So zip with this function. Yeah, okay. I like my fancy enquery. LST sort, LST sort. Or can I not do this with my... Why? Why do? Mm. Couldn't match type int with this. Hmm. Okay, let's try your stuff quickly. AB this. Bleh. Bleh. I'm sloppy today. A minus B. Oh yeah, right. There is no comma. I forgot we're in Haskell. Okay, that works. Why doesn't my uncurry work? I liked my uncurry. I like curry. So this takes two arguments and returns one. Wait, can I just do this and then go in GHCI and like do this? What's how do I do this? Like T, if I remember this. Oh, I do remember this. I'm epic. And your stuff, dash colon T, this. So your stuff. Ah, it takes. Oh, I literally just. Ah, yeah, okay. My uncurry was the problem. Oh no. What's the type of this though? That should be decent. I don't get the. I don't get this part. But. Fuck. Yeah. So yeah, this num on a function probably isn't good. Mine works, but the time constraints make problems. Num a, num a. Yeah, I see the. How is that even possible? That's like a function is part of the num trait. It's not trait. How is it? Class. Uh, hmm. But I kind of have the what I want. Huh. Um, that has probably to do with the type inference algorithm. Hmm. Huh, that makes me sad. Now, out of curiosity, what is like this goes on B C A B. Yeah. So the type of the opposites. Oh, that's an epic Haskell moment. Oh, la la. Oh, wait, it's not right anymore. Fuck. I thought it was. Oh yeah, because I'm doing the absolute value first now, like a moron. Okay, never mind. Okay, fine. I resign myself. I resign myself. Let's do the. Let's do what you did. uh, I thought it would be an epic Haskell moment, but oh no. Oh well, this is kind of neat still. So yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Oops. So the second one, I mean, it is probably fine as well. I have another one. You do. You do. Liste. Join, sort, unzip list. What the fuck is this? Okay, the sort and unzip I can understand. The triple star I've never seen in my life. And the join I remember using, but I forgot. I forgot what it is. Do I have triple star by default? No, it's in data. Mo import control arrow. And what is the type of this? Type arrow. Brother. See, that thing shouldn't exist. Like, okay, it's neat when you understand it, but man, this is like gatekeeping. I mean, I love using it when I understand it, but man, why is there 10,000 operators? Um, import control monad. Let's see. Let's remember what the join does. So M is a monad. Oh, okay, yeah. It's just like okay, I remember now. That's easy enough. Can I do? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Just reduces the monad by one. And then the triple star thing. That is that's something. So the triple star thing takes an ABC. Ah, but already it's like in the kinds thing. It's like how do you say, like meta type? Like instead of creating functions, it's no manipulating values, you're manipulating types. Is that it? Type arrow. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm getting confused. A is to be read like M in the monad signature. Like arrow of B, C. You're too smart for me, my dude. I this I'm not. No, 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 no. This is a no-no for now. Huh? This is wait, let me actually try to understand it, but no promises. So ABC on the ABC and oh, okay, and A is a monad. Okay, the video will help you. Can you paste hard stuff? Yeah, I see that. Then it just already I don't understand why there is a space here. Like, what does this mean? Is this linked to the kinds thing? Like, because this is not a tuple, this is just a monad over... What is this though? Two types? The space has nothing to do. Hmm. Do you have a small example? Like where I can just literally use it in the GHCI? Haskell operator. Example? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Have you like injected your own operator into Haskell? And what was the original thing? So you have a list, you unzip the thing, you sort it. But no, there is a join. Arrow, not monad. Haskell arrow. General interface for computation. All right, I haven't done Haskell in a long time. You can give me some slack, you know. But is there a simple way of simplifying this very quickly? This map. Yeah, this is probably, there is probably a slightly cleaner way with the group you mentioned. Well, actually, I'm curious. Why not? Why not try it? Group. Group. Ah, yeah, but that would be just to count. Yeah, I guess could use bimap. Bimap. Directional mapping. So this. Ah, okay, it has to something else. Alright, well, I'm already happy with the state this is in, I think. Yeah, it's decently nice. So I think I will cut the stream now, and I don't know. I'm probably going to be busy, so I don't even know if I will do the next days, or if I do them, maybe it will be on the weekend or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it now, and yeah, maybe see you tomorrow or this weekend. And thank you very much, Lauren Lange. Uh, I don't know if I'm butchering your name. Do you have a Haskell repo for that? I haven't created a Haskell repo for that yet, but if I will, and it will be this link. Oops, nope, it won't. Forgot my name in there. It will be this found. It will be this guy. Do you do AOC in something else? I did AOC last year in Odin. The year before that, I did it in C++, and the year before that, I did it in Rust. So yeah, that's about it. I think I have a C++ one. I could do it in C at some point, but yeah, that would be maybe a bit too easy, I think. Or I mean, too easy. It's like would have to maybe, yeah, maybe not. I was thinking of doing it in assembly once, but unfortunately, I really do not have time this December. The link just doesn't. Yeah, I haven't created it yet, but okay, repo create AOC 2024 git push. Well, I don't know. Can I do just grv et yeah, origin git add github.com this AOC 2024 git put origin master yeah, whatever, I'll figure it out after the stream. I just did it in C, very easy. Well, only day one, but still. Yeah, after the other days, like you start needing stuff like map or like dictionaries in Python or whatever, or hash map. Those things or like vector and so on start become very handy. But I'm sure there is plenty of ways to do it in C. Anyway, thank you again to everybody that helped me, and yeah, see you on the next day, and yeah, have a